software programming is a very lucrative career option. In such, programming jobs are expected to rise by 21% by the year 2028. Wikipedia claims that there are around 700 programming languages, so deciding which one to learn can be confusing. Which is why we are here to show you the top 3 programming languages in 2022 that can actually get you a job. So let's get started. Number 3, JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the world's most popular programming languages on the web. More than 97% of the websites use JavaScript on the client side of the web page. The top companies using JavaScript are Microsoft, Uber, PayPal, Google, Walmart, and so on. It has a well-organized codebase that provides enhanced productivity and readability, easy to learn and is highly in demand, platform independence and greater control of the browser, provide user input validation features. As per the latest statistics, 72% of the companies are looking for JavaScript developers. Hence, learning JavaScript can be the most amazing decision that you can make in 2022 to fuel your career. Number 2, Python. Python can be regarded as the future of programming languages. As per the latest statistics, Python is the main coding language for around 80% of developers. The presence of extensive libraries in Python facilitates artificial intelligence, data science, and machine language processes. Currently, Python is trending and can be regarded as the king of programming languages. Companies that work on Python are Intel, Facebook, Spotify, Netflix, and so on. So, learning this programming language in 2022 promises you success, growth, and a job. It is one of the most lucrative languages that offers amazing features like easy to learn and code, extensive libraries and frameworks that support a plethora of applications, incorporated the variants of Java and C like CPython, Jython, etc., GUI support. Number 1, Java. Java is one of the most powerful programming languages that is currently used in more than 3 billion devices. Java is currently one of the most trending technology. It is used in desktop applications, mobile applications, web development, artificial intelligence, cloud applications, and many more. Companies working on Java are Amazon, Adobe, Flipkart, Instagram, and so on. So, learning and acing in this technology offers insanely high salaries, amazing growth opportunities, and global recognition. Some of the prominent features of Java are platform independence and object-oriented programming, enhanced productivity, performance, and security. It is the most secure language. So, Java can be regarded as one of the topmost languages to learn in 2022. These 3 programming languages are definitely worth learning and will certainly get you a job if you are good in it.